भाजपा नेता एवं राज्यसभा सांसद हर्ष महाजन ने कहा कि आज राज्यसभा में शून्यकाल के दौरान हिमाचल प्रदेश के चंबा जिला की पांगी घाटी के लिए हर मौसम में सड़क संपर्क ऑल वेदर कनेक्टिविटी सुनिश्चित करने का महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दा उठाया। उन्होंने सदन का ध्यान आकर्षित करते हुए कहा कि पांगी घाटी एक जनजातीय बहुल क्षेत्र है। पांगी घाटी प्राकृतिक दृष्टि से अत्यंत सुंदर क्षेत्र है और यदि इसे पूरे वर्ष सड़क से संपर्क में जोड़ा जाए तो पर्यटन, स्थानीय रोजगार और क्षेत्रीय अर्थव्यवस्था को बड़ा प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा।
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir. I would like to draw the attention of this House to the Pangi Valley region in Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh and the need to develop Chamba-Kilad-Leh route as both a lifeline for the tribal citizens of this region as well as a critical defense route for the nation. Sir, Pangi Valley is a tribal-dominated area in the aspirational district of Chamba. It is home to more than 25,000 tribal citizens who remain cut off from the rest of the country for nearly 8 months every year. Due to the pure and seasonal road connectivity, access to healthcare, education and essential services becomes severely restricted. Moreover, this region is one of the most beautiful in the country and when connected will unlock a huge opportunity for tourism in the region and enhancing the social and economic potential of this region. The development of Chamba-Kilad road into an all-weather road also with a proposed Chani Pass tunnel of 8.5 kilometers will end this isolation. Sir, this corridor also carries exceptional strategic importance. At present, NH 154A connects Pathankot to Chamba and a seasonal road exists up to Kalar. A missing link of 52 kilometers toward Leh needs to be developed. Once completed, this route will become the shortest approach to Leh, reducing the Pathankot-Leh distance from 800 kilometers to nearly 450 kilometers and Pathankot-Kargil from 1,000 kilometers to 550 kilometers. This corridor originates from Pathankot Cantonment, a major defense base, and passes through strategically sensitive terrain close to both the LAC and the LOC. It will provide a vital alternative to Manali-Leh access, reduce single route dependency, and strengthen defense logistics, emergency mobilization, and medical evacuation. Sir, this project perfectly aligns tribal welfare, regional development, and national security. I urge the government to kindly declare the Chamba-Kilad-Leh corridor as a strategic defense route and entrust its development to the Border Roads Organization so that our border preparedness and our most remote citizens are strengthened together. Thank you, sir.
Dr.